I would focus on the lower limb calf muscles, specifically soleus and gastrosoleus, because as you know, they are the second heart of your body. Let's all rise again with Zixa.
The major exercise that is very effective after a marathon run is a hamstring stretch.
Proper rest is required if they are planning to do marathon the next day. Rise again with Zixa.
So in my patients where I want to give ultrasound, I generally use the Zixa cream, that is the Zixa ointment, and during myofascial release or whenever I have to give them muscle relaxation exercises, I use Zixa oil, which gives them a added benefit.
So nowadays we are using Zixa strong product for the cupping and needling therapy. Actually, it gives soothing effects for the muscles and reduce the inflammation. It gives a immediate recovery to the muscles.
So I use Zixa Strong mainly when the patients come with muscle stiffness or soreness. I usually release them with ISTM tools or manually, but when I do it with a normal gel, it is not that effective after using Zixa oil, since my adhesions are broken much faster because of the warming and cooling technology, which increases the circulation. So I'm very happy with the results.
Zixa Roll-On is one of the best products I have ever come across. First of all, it has got very good absorption power, and main ingredient what they are using are non-dichlorogenic, and they're plant-based. The fragrance, of course, my patient likes the fragrance of it, and it is non-greasy. Zixa spray, again, this is one of the best product. I will vouch on it because again, non-dichlorogenic effect, plant-based and non-greasy, skin-friendly, and it has got high absorption capacity.
A pro tip that I can give you is कि warm up के साथ में अगर आप Zixa स्प्रे कर रन स्टार्ट करते हो या कोई भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी या कोई भी गेम स्टार्ट करते हो, सो उससे क्या होगा, एज यू ऑल नो वो डाइक्लोफेनाक फ्री है, सो वो बर्निंग सेंसेशन या वो इरिटेशन स्प्रे लगाने के बाद आपको वो फील ही नहीं होगा. उनके जो नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स है जैसे कि यूकलिप्टस ऑयल, विंटरग्रीन ऑयल विल गिव यू अ रेगुलर इंटरवल पे बूस्ट to keep your muscle warm enough and the circulation happening so that you don't feel the bout of pain that you get while you're doing a strenuous physical activity.
What I found in Zixa is easy to apply, and most importantly, none of the patient has complained about the allergies or any kind of discomfort while applying. One of the technique in physiotherapy where needling is like we insert a needle where it becomes little painful. So what we do it before start of needling, we numb that area with spray, Zixa spray or roll-on, which is easy to move on.
रोल-ऑन जो है हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं लोअर बैक के लिए मोस्ट कॉमनली, क्योंकि इसमें क्या है वाटर बेस्ड है, जिसकी वजह से इसमें आपके स्किन इरिटेशन वगैरह नहीं होते हैं. इवन डायलिसिस के पेशेंट्स भी रहेंगे उसमें भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये जो रोल-ऑन्स है ये प्लांट बेस्ड से लिया गया है, जिसके कोई साइड इफ़ेक्ट नहीं है, जो आपको रिज़ल्ट फास्ट देते हैं. जिक्सा ऑयल जो है ये बहुत अच्छा इसमें रिज़ल्ट है. जैसे अगर हम लोग अल्ट्रासाउंड वगैरह करते हैं तो फ्रिक्शंस ना हो उसके लिए हम लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और इसके बेनिफिट ज़्यादा है, रिकवरी भी रेट भी फास्ट है. इसमें रिज़ल्ट भी नॉर्मल जेल अगर खाली यूज़ करते हैं उतना बेनिफिट नहीं मिलता है, जैसा जिक्सा ऑयल यूज़ करते हैं जिससे आपको रिज़ल्ट भी फास्ट मिलता है, जिससे पेन भी रिलीफ फास्ट होते हैं.
In our clinic, whenever we do the myofascial release, we always mix the Zixa oil with any other lubricant that we use, that is mainly the moisturizing cream. The beauty about the Zixa oil is that it is a cold pressed oil, so it is very pure firstly. Secondly, it is diclofenac free and also paraben free, and it has those natural ingredients which is the eucalyptus, menthol and also the wintergreen, which really helps in fast absorption and also gives very efficient pain relief.